As COVID-19 Omicron cases remain high, there is light at the end of the tunnel for when the latest surge may end, but when?
If we can weather this bumpy ride for another week or so, I think we'll see some improvement.
Dr. Eric Yazel with Clark County Health Department believes based on how quickly other countries are seeing the Omicron variant subside, the U.S. isn't far behind. Some states already seeing a nearly 50% drop in cases in the last week.
I think we're looking at maybe 7 to 10 more days of some pretty rough numbers. And then, I think, again, this is totally my opinion, but I think we'll see a rapid decline just like some other locations.
The positivity rate in Kentucky and Indiana is around 28%. The Omicron variant has become the dominant strain of COVID-19, with cold-like symptoms much less severe than the Delta variant.
I guess the silver lining is, from a severity side of things, it does seem to be, much more mild than some of the other variants that have come through.
Starting Wednesday, Americans can sign up for free at-home test kits from the federal government. But Yazel says when it comes to Omicron, the tests should have been sent out weeks ago.
Probably can reasonably assume there'll be another variant coming through at some point. We'll be well positioned at that time. But I'm not sure that we're gonna hit the mark this time. That I think a lot of the supply is going to come in right as we start to decline.
He suggests not getting tested if you're not feeling sick, in order to save tests for those who actually need them, including area hospitals. In the meantime, with the talks of possible additional boosters as soon as March, Yazel said vaccine fatigue is starting to hit Americans.
I've yet to admit a boosted case to the hospital that's been critically ill. So it's doing its job.
People in the hospital with COVID-19 remains high.
We have to watch from a resource side of things. And then also, healthcare workers are tired. Yes, we've done this before. We know how to do it, but it's just over and over again. And people are tired.
With each variant, Yazel says viruses tend to get weaker as immune systems get stronger. He does expect other variants to pop up, but as the world enters the third year of the pandemic, there are ways to stay safe and healthy.
Here are the tools you need to protect yourself. And otherwise, we're going to kind of try to keep it business as usual as these waves come through.
And Dr. Yazel said, in addition to COVID-19, it's been an especially tough year with the flu and encourages everyone to get a flu shot.